Hey, welcome to the Trail Family Life YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a pedal change and show you how to change your pedals as well. We're actually going to move from new pedals back to old pedals today, and there's two reasons that you would move from new pedals back to old pedals. The new pedals that I just put on the other day are plastic and they work great. They're actually super comfortable compared to my old metal pedals that I kept, but there's two reasons why I'm going to switch back to the metal pedals, because I'm going to do some mountain biking today. And I want the old pedals because, first of all, they are all banged up already. If you can see them, they're all gnarly and jacked up, and I don't want to damage my new pedals. The second reason is you want a lot of traction when you are doing mountain biking, and the plastic pedal is a little more slippery. So to get that traction, I want to keep my metal pedals on. I save them for a reason. These new pedals are the Wellgo pedals, which are only 10 bucks at my local shop. Shop local if you can. And I just put them on the other day. Now there's 3 different tools that you're going to need for this job, but you could get away with having only one, but to do the job right, you're going to need 3. The first thing you're going to need is a wrench. The second thing you're going to need is some grease. And the third thing that you're going to want is some kind of rag. This is just the basic rag that I have. We keep them around the house and the garage, cut it out of some old fabric. The grease that I have here is Finish Line Premium Grease for bicycles. It's only a couple bucks at your local bike shop or online. And then the wrenches that I have here, there's 3 different kinds of wrenches that you can use. One is an adjustable wrench. That's probably the least likely wrench that you're going to use. The second one that you could use is just a basic Craftsman wrench, right? Your average wrench. But this is a bicycle wrench. It came with my bike, and you can see here how sleek it is, and it fits right here on the pedal, and it fits right in there. So basic wrench will work, but you're better off to have one of these bicycle wrenches. Came right with my bike. You can find them at your local bike shop pretty cheap as well. Now, something different about this pedal, if you notice, is we're not doing lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. That does work for the right pedal, but it does not work for the left pedal. So here, to take off the pedal, I'm actually turning it to the right, which is the opposite of how a wrench usually works. So you're simply just going to take that off like that. Okay? And you can see that this one actually says L on it, so it'll help you know where to put the pedal. And then I'm going to grab my other L here. We're going to put that back on. Now, before we do that, let's not forget to clean it up. So we're going to clean off the thread here and just make sure all the gunk is out of there. The last time I used these was for mountain biking, so it's probably pretty dirty. It's kind of like being at the beach, right? You get done with the day at the beach and you say, how did this sand get in these places? Well, it's the same thing with your bike and your pedals. And clean out the inside of the threading as well. And then we're just going to put a little bit of grease on here. So we're going to take this, we're just going to dab it like that, like that. That cap back on. We're going to rub it on. Just give it a little bit of grease here. And then put it back on. Now remember, for the left pedal, you're not doing lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. You're doing the opposite of that. You can kind of use your hand at the beginning here, and then use your wrench. You want it nice and snug, but you don't want it super tight. Okay, and then just kind of hold right here, pull the wrench back the other way, nice and snug. and we're ready for some mountain biking again.